Follow these 5 steps to fix 90% of switching power supply issues. Step 1. Check the fuse first. Switch your oscilloscope to the multimeter auto mode. Clip it on if you hear a beep. The fuse is good. Step 2. Check the rectifier bridge. Locate the black rectangular component with slanted edges on the power board. Find its output pins. Set your multimeter to diode mode, or just use auto. Red lead to positive. Black lead tests each of the 4 pins. If readings are around 0.5 volts and consistent, the rectifier bridge is fine. Step 3. Test the most failure-prone capacitor, marked C. Switch to capacitance mode. 464 microfarad S is within normal tolerance. Step 4. Test diodes. All components marked D on the board. Red lead on the center pin, black lead on the sides. If there's a fixed voltage drop, it's good. If it beeps directly, it's bad. Step 5. Test switching transistors. Marked Q. Normal voltage drop means it's working. 2D15P combines a multimeter and oscilloscope in one tool. No need to switch devices during repair. Which repair tutorial do you want to see next? Comment below and let me know.